We'll guide you through how to use the new Claude model effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Claude website on your desktop browser. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one yet, you need to create an account by clicking the Sign Up button and following the prompts to enter your details. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. This is where you can start interacting with the Claude model. To begin, go to the Create New Project button on the top right corner. Enter a name for your project and choose the model type that suits your needs. In this case, Claude New Model. Once your project is set up, it's time to input your data. You can do this by clicking the Upload Data button and selecting files from your computer. Make sure your data is in the correct format, typically a CSV or JSON file, to ensure smooth processing. After uploading, you can configure the model settings. You'll see options to adjust parameters like learning rate and epochs. If you're unsure about these, the default settings are a good starting point. With everything set, click on Run Model to start the training process. This might take some time depending on the data size, so be patient. Once the training is complete, you can test the model by going to the Testing tab. Here, you can input sample data and see the output generated by Claude. If you need to make adjustments, you can always go back to the settings and tweak the parameters. This iterative process helps you fine-tune the model for the best results. Don't forget to save your work regularly by clicking the Save Project button. And that's it. You've successfully used the Claude New Model to analyze your data. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.